So now we can start getting all of our Krita stuff set up so we can build from source, which is pretty much just taking all the code files and making a version of Krita that has everything the latest. The first thing we need is we're going to have to like start pulling down code, which we will be using GIT for that. So I don't know if we even... Okay, we do not have GIT, so we can install it by typing this, and you're going to see this command a lot, sudo apt-get install. And you can also do multiple ones at a time if you want. If you just space it, so if I had something else like VLC, I could maybe do that and it would do both of them. But for now, I'll just do get. So yeah, that's kind of nice. I didn't have to go to a website. I mean, I did have to know that I could do that, which that's probably that's the hardest thing. Now we have get there, so at least calling that now, it knows it's not a repository, so it knows what this git command is. The next thing I want to do is set up my folders for where we're going to put all of our stuff in. So I'm going to put that in my home. We'll make a folder called Krita. And then we're going to make 3 folders. We're going to make one folder that has the source files. We're going to make one folder that has the build, and we're going to make one folder where everything is stored whenever it's done building, and this is where it's actually going to be run out of. I think the reason this happens is there's going to be a lot of other files that need to be put in the installation. So the build is going to build the main Krita source code, and the install is going to kind of package everything together so we can run it when we're done building it. So we're going to go back to the command line and we're going to grab the source code with that. So if we go director dir, we can see where we're at. So we're going to change directory to Krita, and then we are going to get the source code from the KDE website, because Krita is under the umbrella of this organization called KDE, which does a lot of the infrastructure. They help us with the website. Yeah, Krita would have a pretty rough time if it wasn't using KDE for all of our stuff. We'll go to repositories. We'll go all repositories, and then we'll search for it. Here we go. So R37. So we can do it here. So this is the URL. So we can just copy this, and we'll do a git clone. So this will pretty much just copy everything from here. And we'll see, I might have not put it in the right folder. Oh. We'll just let it do its thing for a bit, and then we will continue and see if I need to move things around. And we're done. So it looks like I probably should have not done that, so actually we're probably just going to call this source, so let's just delete that guy. Oops. Then we'll rename it source